This is Don Ferreira tutorial. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This episode will show you how we send DAW to Lumion, how to send a DAW to a Corel file, then you upload it in your Lumion. Just a single DAW. We just picked up a DAW we designed from your components. I put down I place a wall. This is a wall, and I place the DAW. So on this video, I'll be showing you how we can edit this DAW and send it to Corel file. Let me show you what the DAW looks like in your view. Look at the DAW here. We've sent this right swing already, and on the auto on the Corel file already. Want to send this left swing now in our Corel file. But before we do this, we are going to edit this. We're separating this from here. We'll show you how to separate it. Then you now send it. You send now at this point now, they are all of the same size. They are the same size. They're the same size. They are together. They are bonded together. I need to separate them. If you go to our Corel file, we will notice we have, let me say, we are sending this to Corel file. Let's assume we are going to Corel file. This has to go to Corel file. You save it in Corel file. You give it a name. But here, looking at this place, we have sent this DAW one 1A right wing. This is this DAW 1A. We'll first of all send this DAW 1 before now, but it is not sizing what we needed. So we needed to edit it so that it can size in what we needed, because we are seeing space on the corner, especially on the vertical corners. So let me do cancel. Let me edit this and load it to a project. Okay, we are going to load it to a project. When you edit, you load it to another project. I will show you on this place now. I have it tagged as named practice one. On this practice one, I just open a file, place a wall, name it practice one. I open another file, name it wall, and name it door one full. So just the same, nothing else. So what I'll do now is to edit this. Okay, edit this, edit family. Like I said, I have deleted this before. To have this, it will now swing. First of all, let me go back. I want this door to face me. This is practice one. I want this door to face here. I noticed something in the AutoCAD that the Lumion design is not showing adequately. So I need to bring it up here now. So let's go back to our 3D view. We can see it. So this is the one we deleted in our 3D view. We will now have this. It will now swing. Okay, let me show you what I mean. We deleted this, we now have this. So if you delete this now, we'll have this. Watch why the door is opening. Okay, just know the door you deleted initially. We're going to delete two of them at a go, at one at a time. After deleting this one, you send this. After I said delete this one, you send this. And remember, you're meant to place it. We're going to place it at pivot points. We're going to place it at a pivot point, like I said initial our former video. This is how to edit it, the DAW, and send it to your Corel file. Let's go on from here. First of all, highlight this, edit. Okay, let me do this quickly. Finish, edit. Let me not edit the pattern. Let me just say edit this, move this cluster. Edit. Just keep editing anything you can lay your hands on and deleting it. You edit it, highlight, then you delete it. But deleting everything here. Okay, you finish. Highlight all, edit, extension. Let's remove everything here. Delete, remove this, remove this, remove this. In this line, there are meant to be two. Okay, remove one of it, you left to this. So you have deleted everything in that section. You say finish. You're left to this. You say remove constraint. Yes. Therefore, remove this in part, and parts, and parts, and parts. This is anything. If it's highlight only this section, you remove it. If it's highlighting the both, you edit before removing. Edit, then you remove, then you finish. It's still highlighting here alone, remove. Now it will highlight the both of them, then you edit it, pick it up alone, then remove, then finish it first. It's still having something, continue. It's having some particle here, you delete it, then you finish it. Having this one, delete. Having this one, delete. You have done with it. Now let's take off the frame. This is the frame, you delete. This is the frame, down, you delete. You're left with the anchor. Look at the footing here, you delete. On this area, you delete. Edit the sketch. Now this editing of the sketch, I want to bring way to in so that it will crystal inside the wall. If I should remove this, it cannot crystal in the wall. You cannot crest in the wall. If I should remove it, so I'm not removing it so I to crest in the wall. You're not meant to remove this now. Okay, say finish. I want to load this now. I want to load this now to a file. Okay, I'm loading it to a file. This after finished or deleted here. Okay, okay, let's do go this. Let me load it to a file. Load into a project. I want to load it to this door. I say I opened a file. Door 1, 2. Okay, okay. You see, okay. Are you overriding it? Yes. I'm overriding it in here. The file is here now. Let me just go to my door. Let me go to my door. I'll see it there. I think this is it. This is the door. Okay. This is the door. The one we sent before was like this. Let's see. Okay. Let me do this quickly. Okay. Let's do this. Let me go back there again. Okay, let me open another file. Let me open another file. Let me say on that file folder. Go to another folder. Let's call this folder. Let me pick on that folder. Probably I'll be using practice 2. Let's use practice 2. I've been using before now. Practice 2. Let me open practice 2. This is practice 2. Let's see the view. Covid is free. Nothing is here. Let's see the door. For a similar door like that there. Check it. Okay, done. So let me send it again here. Let's go back to our practice one. Now we're going to practice one to send it in practice two, isn't it? So this is the door we dictated in practice one. This is the door dictated in practice one. So let me load it to a project called, let me remove this and place this practice two, load it to practice two. That's come to this place. So let me pick up a wall. Look at the door here. Let me pick up a wall, any wall, architecture, wall, and to take it up a bit so to be uniform with the other one. Okay, it's landing. So let me take my wall, my door. This is the door. So let me place it here. I'm not seeing this door. Let me go to 3D and see what is happening there. SD. Okay, this height is too much. It's too much. I'll open a higher height. Okay, let me do this quickly. Let me do this quickly. Escape. Remove this door. Let me set my height here now. Remove this. Okay. Delete. 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 Go to 3D. View. Editing this and this. Let me just delete this. Don't need it. Delete this. Don't need this for now. Okay. I needed this 7 and this. Okay. Level 1. I can change this one to level 2. Level 2. Yes. Change it to level 2. I'm okay with this. The 2 level. Therefore, let me override it in view, panel. Yes. So as it can come out, this level 2 is going to show. It says not to duplicate the initial. Say okay. It's now showing here in level 2. Let me do this again. Floor plan. Okay, look at the floor plan here. Okay, let's go here quickly. This 3D. Okay, let's go to the floor plan. Place our wall. We need our wall now. Architecture, wall. Okay, escape. Escape, drop the tool. Bring it close to this place. What we're trying to do, want to send a file from here. So you can only send it from from your projects. Can go from project to corridor file. Going from family, it will be difficult, hence a door. You can design from a gate in your family and send that one, just like we've done in our previous video. Now, bring your door in. This is the door. Okay, that's shown. I want it to face this way. So let me see it in 3D. Okay, showing us this door again. Okay, let me do this. We've sent a door like this. We sent a door like this. If we should swing this door, if we should edit this door and swing, it might spoil the. Let me try. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Edit. the top view, only this one alone, this one alone. Let's swing it between here and here. It does. Remove constraint, delete element. Some element are restricting it, Control Z. Let's do it again. Let's unlock, first of all, unlock, unlock, and now swing it also this way. Remove constraint, delete elements. Let's see it now on a 3D. Wow, showing something different. You see? Showing something else. Showing something else, Control Z. Okay, let's do Control Z. Let's do this quickly. Let's can manipulate it. This is the handle, can bring it here. Can bring the handle here. And so I need to set the opening too. I need to set the opening. Copy. Not copy though. Have to move it. Have to move it. And cancel. Cancel. Doing something else. Cancel. Let me open here a bit. Okay. We're closing here a bit. Okay. Move constraint. So let me pick up here. Move between here and here. Remove constraint. I'll have my door handle here now. I think that is the best thing to do. Now, resizing the door in. This is not left swing. Okay, let me size in the door in. Load it into a project, into this project. I can now load it here equally. Okay, let's now load it where we used to load it before. No, let's load it here now, since we're using different file already. Okay, override it. Yes, it has now moved this way. It has now moved this way. There's second one here too. Let's edit here. Edit. This need to come out here too. Let's go this way to see it. Move. Move to this handle. Remove constraint. Go to the top view. Let's see. They are together. Okay. Load it in. Set this project. Okay. Override. Noticing something here. Noticing something here. Okay, let's go back there. Edit. Okay. Adjust. Adjust this here frame. Let's see if that is stopping the command. Load into the project again. Okay. Override it. Okay. This is not really working right. It's not really working right. Let's go to the front view. The front view. It's working right here, well, and it's not working right in the 3D view. Now rear view. Okay, let's see. Let's load it here again. Let's load it here and see. Override. Okay, it's now working right here on this. It's working right here now on family. This is here. We've changed. We did not send it again through practice two. It's not in full door. It's working right here now. So let's send it from here. It is now at. We need to set it first of all at a pivot point. First of all, let's set at a pivot point. Let's go this quickly. Wherever you have your door set, remember this is supposed to be left swing. It's supposed to be swinging like this, like this. Okay, when it's swinging like this, the edge is supposed to be at the pelvic here. So let's shift it to the pelvic point. That could hold it firmly there. One will be designing it. Now it is at the pelvic point. Now we cannot send this with the wall, and if you delete the wall, it will go. Now at the same time, we don't know the size which we are looking for. Okay, let's do this quickly. This is the door. Like I said before, the one we sent on the measurement, the dimension we had could not size in. It was having space. So now we need to check the dimension this one has too. On the height, it's working with 2,400. It works. Okay. And on the width, we are having it's supposed to be 1,800. Let me just show you what's happened in that other one. That's why we're changing it now. Okay, 1,800. Okay, now this is it. Now editing this door now, let's go to view. Let's go to this south view so I understand what I'm saying. Let's say the width of this door now between here and here is not up to 900. It's not up to 900. Okay, it's 8 something. So let's make this 900. Okay, let me do this. Let me send this door. Okay, let me send this door. I'm not saying handle here. On the south view, let me go to the south view and go to this view. Okay, where are we now? Let's go to, we're supposed to be in the info. That's the project we are in. Control Z, Z, Z. Okay, I changed the measurements and it's changed its sizes, change its position. Let's do it again. The height, the height is supposed to be 2,400. 2,400. Now the width is supposed to be 3,000. So let me do this. Let's go to um south. Can always be a way to go about that. So let's extend here. Let's extend this way. First of all, let's take a dimension too. Definitely have to edit it to achieve that. They're taking the dimension in here, right? For it to be 900, for it to be 900, need to be with for it to be 900 needs to be with 1,800 and 96. Think I've done it before. Okay, supposed to be 900. Let me delete this and bring up under dimension 2 again. Between here and here. Okay, between here and here. Okay, let me make a round up number. I will make it round up number this time around to be 1,900. That's a rough. This is rough width. 1,900. Okay, to have it now at 900. Let's see what we've got in our 3D view. My challenge is just this handle here. My challenge is just this handle here. And if I should go to editing view, I'm not seeing it. Okay, let me do this also. Let's do this. Let's move it to edge. Okay, let's see it now. Let's load it to our project. Okay, override. Okay, it's moved. Let's also extend it more to bring it here, because this is what it will view in a Corel file. There's always a way to go with it. Okay, there's always a way to manipulate this. There's always a way to manipulate it and get it right. Due to that extension we did, overload, override, remaining small. Let's add up to it. Let's add up again to it. Okay, so let's load it here. Override. Let's see where it should land. I think it's okay. It's okay here. Now you cannot send it to your Coda file like this. So let's take this to this point. Let's take it to this point. Take this to this point. Okay, you're bringing the wall closer. Now the wall is inside, it's embedded. We're embedding the wall on the door. It's a way to manipulate it. Now we have this door now with us. Can I send it to corridor file? Load all of that like that. The corridor file is asking us the door name. It's coming with full door 1. So let me go also by telling it is going to be door 1A, which is the second door we sent, which is left swing. Left swing. Okay, I've saved it in a corridor file now. In a corridor file, I've saved it. Okay, It's now in our Corona file. We can see our other card. Let's put up our lumion on, while on this AutoCAD, on this Revit, we do this quickly. We do this. Let's see a project. A project. Let's see a project also, so I can see where we're exporting it to. Open a file. Open a file. Okay, let me open this file. The lumion is open already. This is the file I'm opening. This is the door in question. This door one is open. Let's go to D. So you're going to follow us in the next video when we export this to Lumion. At the same time, import the door and the gates to our Lumion. Look at it, it's open. So, but the other doors also, we have already placed them. Initially, it was open too, but look at the door, we have already fixed them back, making only that one, that is the door we want to open in our illumination. So follow us for more concepts like this when we bring to you in Lumion how to assemble the door and the gates in together. Thank you. Thank you.